Alibaba and the 40 Thieves. Once upon a time, there lived a kind man named Alibaba. He lived in Persia with his wife and children. Alibaba had an older brother named Cassim. Their father was a carpet merchant. After their father died, Cassim continued the family business. He became rich because he married a wealthy woman. Alibaba was poor. Every day, he went into the forest to cut wood. Then he sold the wood to earn money. One day, Alibaba was cutting wood in the forest. Suddenly, he heard many horses. He became frightened and hid behind a big tree. Soon, 40 men arrived. They all carried swords. They stopped in front of a large rock. Their leader stood in front of the rock and shouted, "Open Sesame!" The rock slowly moved. A secret door appeared. The thieves walked into the cave. Then the door closed. Alibaba was very surprised. He waited quietly. After a while, the thieves came out again. They rode away. Alibaba walked to the rock. He said, "Open Sesame." The door opened. Alibaba went inside. He saw gold coins. He saw silver, jewels, diamonds, and many beautiful treasures. He had never seen so much treasure before. "I will only take one bag of gold," he said. "I do not want to be greedy. The thieves will not miss it." He filled one bag with gold and returned home. His wife was very surprised. "Where did you get all this gold?" she asked. Alibaba told her the whole story. His wife wanted to count the coins. "There are too many," Alibaba said. "Let's borrow a weighing scale." She went to Cassim's house. Cassim's wife gave her a scale, but she secretly put some wax under it. When Alibaba's wife returned the scale, one gold coin was still stuck to the wax. Cassim's wife saw the coin. She quickly told her husband, "Alibaba has a lot of gold," she said. "You must find out why." Cassim became jealous. He wanted the treasure for himself. He visited Alibaba. At first, he spoke kindly. Then he asked, "Where did you find the gold?" Alibaba trusted his brother. He told him about the cave. He also told him the magic words, "Open Sesame." The next morning, Cassim took 4 mules to the cave. He shouted, "Open Sesame." The door opened. Cassim ran inside. He saw the treasure. His eyes became very big. "I will take everything," he laughed. He filled many bags with gold and jewels. Then he wanted to leave, but he forgot the magic words. He shouted, "Open wheat." Nothing happened. Then he said, "Open barley." The door did not open. He tried many other words, but nothing worked. Soon, the 40 thieves returned. Their leader shouted, "Open Sesame." The door opened. The thieves found Cassim inside. They knew someone had found their secret. Cassim tried to escape, but the leader killed him. Later, Cassim did not come home. His wife asked Alibaba for help. Alibaba went to the cave. he found his brother's body. He was very sad. He took Cassim home. Cassim's loyal servant was a clever young woman named Morgiana. She helped Alibaba. She told everyone that Cassim had died after a serious illness. No one learned the true story. A few days later, the thieves returned. They saw that Cassim's body was gone. The leader became angry. "Someone knows our secret," he said. "We must find that person." The thieves went to the town. One thief found Alibaba's house. He made a secret mark on the front door. The next morning, Morgiana saw the mark. She guessed that someone was trying to find the house. She put the same mark on every door in the street. That night, the thieves returned. But every house looked the same. They could not find Alibaba's home. The leader became even angrier. The next day, he made a new plan. He brought many large barrels on his mules. One barrel was full of oil. The other barrels hid the thieves. The leader dressed like an oil merchant. He went to Alibaba's house. "May I stay here tonight?" he asked. "Of course," Alibaba said. "You are welcome." That evening, Morgiana went outside. She wanted to get some oil. Suddenly, she heard a voice from one barrel. "Is it time to come out?" Morgiana understood everything. She quietly answered, "Not yet." She gave the same answer to every thief. Then she heated the oil. She worked quietly so the leader would not hear her. She carefully poured the hot oil into every barrel that held a thief. The thieves could not attack the family. Late that night, the leader came outside. He called his men. No one answered. He looked into the barrels. He saw that his plan had failed. He became frightened and ran away. The next morning, Morgiana told Alibaba everything. Alibaba smiled. "You saved our family," he said. "Thank you for your courage. From today, you are part of our family." Morgiana was very happy. Alibaba and his family lived happily and peacefully for many years. They never forgot Morgiana's courage and kindness. Only Alibaba knew the secret of the treasure cave, and he never forgot the magic words, "Open Sesame."